Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube update problem. If you're experiencing issue with updating the YouTube app, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. First, you need to check your internet connection, ensure that your device is connected to the internet and the connection is stable. You need an active internet connection to download app updates. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix updates issue. Restart your phone or tablet and try updating the YouTube app again. Or you could also try clearing the app cache and the data. What you have to do is press the YouTube app like this, go to the app information, select the storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Or you could simply tap on the clear storage, and this will delete the app's data and will be deleted permanently. And if the above steps do not work, you can try updating the YouTube app manually by downloading the latest APK from the trusted source and installing it on your device as well. Or if none of the above steps work, you can try contacting YouTube support or further assistance, and they may be able to help you troubleshoot the update problem. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most update issue with the YouTube app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.